What's up? It's your boy Josh. Let go, Frago. Let go, Frago. Let go, Frago. Let go, Frago. Frago. Let go, Mako. Ayy, Pyro. What it do? Dope nigga, fly nigga, embrace it dope nigga, wicked no miss dough. I believe in God, but doesn't mean I got to be innocent or decent. I can be what I want when I want. Fuck what others think. And if don't like me, then for all I care, wish then blink twice. But I still be this dope flare nigga living his life with hope and pride. I get air nigga, I get bread nigga, fuck being I get circle and square hit nigga. Fuck being regular nigga. I'd either be an extraordinary killer or dealer. Fuck being regular. I prefer the term, I don't prefer the term regular. That's final, no conclusion. Just not mandatory like secular reconstruction and oxygen respiration. I evolve great to every revolution. I get more confident every dedication. I penetrate the bottom on locking my hidden potent. I dig deep into my soul, letting my ancestors speak by my past destiny and legacy. Let me know if my history is in jeopardy. My life has meaning. I just gotta be industrious and simultaneously being impetuous to my obstacle. Also, I got to keep seeing and discovering in my values and morals. I learn once you have integrity and the indulgent aim. You have infinity, energy, and a dynamic objective. Protect my motto. If a nigga stands in my way, I'll accordingly act aggressive. My flow is massive. My thought is positive on my actions. I am really impressive. So think before you step. And don't act stupid and repulsive. Be logical and conclusive. Think by your flair might be compatible. Let me be classic. Look, I'm incredible dope. You a gullible rope. Metamorphically, I'm saying you didn't dick. Otherwise, I break you fast like bones and sticks. Punch your stomach, make you shed bricks. I stay sick, slick. So jumping down to conclusion, you suck dick brick. I say what I want when I want, fuck what others think. I don't want nobody controls me. I'm me and that's who I'm destined to be. So 1, 2, 3, I'ma take my lead. Yeah.